I'm Officer Miller with the Beach Police Department.
Hello.
The reason I stopped you is for your speed, not using your turn signal and weaving.
I understand.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license insurance card with you?
Yeah, George and John. They stopped
I
it off
took the pee really bad. I'm so sorry.
I understand. You had anything to drink tonight?
Is it a Toyota
Yeah,
Camry?
I had like a shot or two.
Dark color.
How long do you think that was ago?
It's not that far ago. It's like right before I left, so I haven't been driving for that long.
Okay. How long, when was the last time you had a drink, do you think?
I'm like 5 or 10 minutes away from the Meraki.
Okay.
So that's how long ago. This
Okay.
is my driver's license.
Okay. Then you have the other thing I asked you for?
My insurance.
Yeah.
I don't have that on me.
Okay.
It's not, I don't have the insurance card on my phone.
Okay. You don't have the insurance card on your phone? Or
No.
it is on
I
your
can look,
phone?
but I'm pretty sure it's not on my phone
Mhm.
because I just renewed it.
Okay. 1279
I'm not
1250.
gonna lie. I be on social media a little bit too much, so I'm a little nervous.
Because you're what?
Go ahead.
I said I be
Front
on
ending.
social media a little bit too much, so I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Did you hit anything on the way home?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because there's a bunch of damage over here.
Like, we're not like 100% saying you did nothing. But
Okay.
no.
Right, no. We're just checking things out because that's what someone,
I
another police
understand. I'm
department
about to
told
say I will give you everything you need
Yeah,
to
no,
know.
you good. So give us like 2 seconds. We're going to get a hold of them and figure out why they're trying to say that a car that exactly like this did something over there. And then we'll rule it out, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I'll sit right.
In the meantime, I'm just going to ask you a few questions, okay? Just so I know you're safe to
I'm
drive.
gonna say, is it? I don't know if it's safe, but like, is it safe for me to use the bathroom? I have to pee really bad.
You're not going to be able to right now, obviously.
okay.
So let me ask you, know the English alphabet, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you say it? State it without singing it, starting with the letter D as in dog and ending in Q?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. Do you remember what the instructions were?
As far as what?
What I just told you.
You asked me about starting with the letter D.
Okay, so I want you to say the alphabet again, but starting with the letter D and ending with the letter Q. Do you understand it? What I'm
I
saying?
understand.
Okay.
However, I am a mother of kids, so I'm not gonna start there. I'm not gonna lie to you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Do you know you can count, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you count backwards, starting with the letter 65 and then ending with 49?
65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 40. Am I allowed to answer
No,
that?
you just leave it for now.
Okay. 40, what was I at? 44,
Yeah.
43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 20. You want me to keep going?
Wherever I told you to stop.
I don't remember. I'm just counting at
I
this
told
point.
you to stop at 49. You got the
Okay,
little
I'm
pass.
at, I started as 26, 25.
Well,
20
do you remember what the instructions were? It's count down from 65 to 49. And you
Okay.
stopped at 26.
26, 25.
Okay, I don't want you to keep going. Okay, I'm going to ask you another test, I guess, to make sure you're okay to drive. I'm going to demonstrate it to you, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to ask you to perform it exactly how I'm doing it, okay? I'm going to touch the tip of my fingers to the tip of my thumb. Hold on, I'm starting with my index finger, okay? I'm going to go, and I'm going to count out loud. Just watch how I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now you know.
Do you want me to do it again?
Yes.
Okay. It's gonna go back and forth 3 times. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I don't remember exactly, but 23, 22, 21, 20, and then you went backwards, 19, 18, 17, 16, and you kept going. I don't remember exactly. I'm not gonna lie.
You want me to do it one more time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna go touch the tip of my fingers to the tip of my thumb, starting with my index finger. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. All right. Mr. Smith, can you step out for me? I'm going to make sure you're safe to drive. Do a few more tests. All right.
You just come back here with him. He just gonna make sure you're good. He's out here.
I'm sorry.
You good? You don't gotta be afraid of me. You can do nothing to you. I promise.
So,
This is my first time having to be. I'm so scared.
You don't gotta be scared. I promise.
I'm sorry if I start crying. I'm just scared.
It's okay.
well, why don't you just face me? I'm going to go through a few things, okay? I'm just
Yes,
going to check
sir.
your eyes here. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Is anything wrong with your eyes?
My mom has said it before, but I never got them checked out.
You said what?
My mom has mentioned it before, but I never got them checked out.
That you need glasses or something? Or
That I possibly need glasses,
okay.
yes.
Any like recent head injuries or anything like that? Concussions? Nothing along
No,
those lines?
sir.
Okay. All right. I'm going to check your eyes. If you can put your feet together, hands down on your side just like you are.
Yes, sir.
Keep your head still and look at the stimulus. The stimulus is going to be my finger, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you look at this, okay? Don't move your head. Don't move your head at all.
Okay, sorry.
Just your eyes. Keep looking at my finger. Yeah, you got to look over there. You got to follow it. You got to follow it. Yeah, keep following. Keep looking at it. You think you got a hang of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just want you to keep looking at it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna start for real, okay? That was just a practice to make sure you're not moving your head and stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Next test I'm gonna have you do is the test of balance, okay? Let me get my watch ready for this one. Are you comfortable wearing those shoes and making sure there's no debris or rocks or anything around you? And you're
I'm cold as hell, but
I know, me too. I'm very cold also. Okay, all
Cold as hell.
right. Now, which way would you want to face that? I'm going to have you stand on one leg for a short period of time. Which would you want to face? This way?
I'm not gonna lie to you. It might not be perfect, but I'll do it.
Okay. Well, why don't you face my car? Okay. And step off of this black line here. Just move right there in the middle. Okay, perfect. I'm going to explain the instructions to you, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm so scared.
That's okay.
Because this never happened to me before.
I just want you to stand with your feet together and your hands down at your sides like this, okay? Just the way I'm doing it. Perfect.
Okay. I'm not gonna promise I'm still gonna stay up the whole time. You want me to start at 1001.
Remember the instructions is hands down at your side? You got to keep your hands down at your side. Explain it again.
You said hands down on my side. You want me to start counting from 1001. That's what I mean.
7-10 radio.
The rest of it. Raise your one foot of your choice 6 inches off the ground.
I remember
Keep
that
looking
part.
at it. Okay. You want me to go through it
Listen,
again?
I am clumsy, so I'm gonna try, but I'm not gonna say it's perfect.
I understand. You can begin whenever you want.
Okay.
Hands down at your side.
1001.
You got to keep your hands down at your side.
1001. 1002.
Keep your legs straight.
1003. 1004. 1005.
You got to look at your foot that you have raised up. And you got to keep your legs straight.
You know that's not easy.
I just demonstrated it.
I'm trying, but I'm saying that it's not going to be perfect.
I understand. All I'm asking is follow instructions.
Yes, sir.
All right. You want me to demonstrate it again?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're going to keep your hands at your side. You're going to raise one foot of your choice, approximately 6 inches in the air.
Okay.
You're going to look at it the whole time and count out loud. 1001, 1002. You're going to keep both legs straight. You understand all that?
Yes, sir.
Keep your arms at your side at all times and keep watching your race foot.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, you can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Sorry, I'm clumsy. 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017.
I was going to ask you to one more thing for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
I want you to imagine an imaginary line from you to my car. Straight line.
1, 2, 7.
Okay? There's nothing, no rocks, nothing that's going to trip you up and prevent any hazards,
Keep
okay?
my hands at my sides and walk straight.
Oh, hold on. That's not all of it.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to ask you to get into the starting position. So I'm going to have you place your left foot on that imaginary line, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and put your left foot down on the imaginary line. Then, right in front of your left foot, I'm going to place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot.
That is a lot of
Just like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Stay like that. That's the starting position. Keep heel to toe.
And just walk straight.
You're not going to move. I'm going to explain it to you now.
Okay.
Maintain this position until I have completed the instructions. Do not start to walk until told to do so. But you got to get heel to toe. You're kind of uneven there. When I tell you to start, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, turn and take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So
I'm not gonna act like I'm like perfectly steady because I'm not. I am clumsy as hell.
So when I tell you to start, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, turn and take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate only 3, but you're going to do 9.
Going forward or backwards?
You're going to go forward.
Sure of your instructions.
Okay? So when I tell you to start, you're going to go 1, 2, 3.
Just count until I get to where you tell me to stop.
Until you get to 9 steps.
Okay.
And then when you get to 9 steps, you're going to turn and keep the front foot on the line and turn by taking a series of small steps with the other foot. So you're going to turn like this. Okay, you're going to turn right back around. And
Yes,
then you're going to take 9 more steps back down the line, just like this. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9.
Is me not understanding your instructions a part of it or no?
Well, that's...
I will try. I understand what you're saying. You saying when I get to 9, that's when I turn around.
Okay. While you're walking, keep your arms at your sides, wash your feet at all times, and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, don't stop walking until you have completed the test. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir. So I'm going to assume that when I get to your card that says 1227, that's when I turn around.
Okay. Do you want me to explain how many steps? It's 9 down.
Yes.
Then you turn and you take 9.
When I get to 9, that's when I turn around.
Okay.
But I just want to say, because I'm nervous as hell, that's when I turn around.
Okay. Are you ready? You can begin if you... Do you have any questions?
Wrong?
Do you have any questions?
About turning around at 9?
No, you turn around in 9 steps, just the way I instructed you.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any questions about it? I could say it again if you wanted me to.
Say it one more time, just wanted to make sure I'm sure.
Okay. When I tell you to start, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line.
Okay, yes, sir.
When you turn, keep your front foot on the line and take a series of small steps with the other foot. Okay? While you're walking, keep your arms at your sides, Watch your feet at all times and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, don't stop until you complete the test. Do you understand?
Yes.
You want me to show you one more time?
I understand that I turn around at 9.
Okay, did you want me to demonstrate it one more time, or?
You can.
Okay,
Just to be
so
sure.
you go 1, 2, 3, up to 9, then you're gonna turn like this. Then you're gonna take 9.
So I'm gonna go that way.
No, I'm just, this is just demonstration
Okay, that's
purpose.
You just demonstrating.
Okay? All right, go ahead.
Bro.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter where I am. I just get in line. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I count when I turn around?
Just the way I instructed you.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm really nervous
Okay.
right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why keep going?
Okay. You're done? Okay. Unfortunately, we're not at the place you under arrest, okay? I think you drink too much, okay? But
Okay, so what part of the test did I fail?
We'll be able to explain all that.
we'll get it all
Can
figured
you
out.
It's all
explain it
about-
to me now?
Not at this exact second, because we want to get
Can
you
I go
somewhere
like
warm.
Mom?
Yeah, we'll
Not
get
at
it all taken care of in a second. Can you interlock your fingers?
Here, if you rotate your hand. Well, ain't no reason to
I'm
get
sorry
scared.
for social media, but I'm scared.
You all right? Here, rotate your hand.
There you go.
Well, you're a grown adult, so you can't call your mom until you get to the jail. Once you do, you can make phone calls as you want.
Can you call my mom's number now?
We can't call anybody right now.
No, nobody right now.
Nah, but you can soon. Get them up. Go ahead.
Is he gonna call my mom right now?
We can't call her, but we will when we get to the jail. Okay.
Can he go to her number on my phone?
We'll get it figured out.
Is he
100%.
allowed to do that?
I'll get your number out of get a number, I promise.
Okay.
All right, stay warm.
I'm so scared. I want my kids to never experience this in their life. I don't know what I did, but I will never do it again.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Out the door for him, Bo. For a second.
Is my mom able to call more than once? Because she's at work.
You,
right
as soon
now.
as we're done processing, you can call. You can talk to as many people as you want for as long as you want.
No, it's just her. But if she is called.
Okay, so thank you. I think we have it figured out. I'm just trying to get some paper real quick. Okay, sounds good. I'm sorry. So, what's up?
Is she able to call more than once because she's at work right now?
Yeah, oh, yeah. As, far,
I'm not
as,
saying,
as, soon as we do our,
she might not answer the first time. That's why I'm asking.
yeah, no, we
But she's
got
at
probably
work.
like 25 minutes of stuff that we got to do to get you processed for the OVI, and I'm going to guide you through it so you understand it. And then he's gonna do some little questions to get you in the jail and stuff, and then you can make as many phone calls as you need to get your business
In
again.
the jail is crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand, but okay. I just want to make sure.
No, you're all right. Okay, we have a female South shaker. So we have a Shaker Heights police officer coming, a female, so that she can do the stuff. So we don't got to put hands on you. You know what I mean? Just to make it more.
Am I going to take these off or no?
Yeah, I think probably. We want to wand her. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Uncomfortable, and I'm
Yeah. You want them on first?
Yeah, well, no. She can step back out.
Step back.
Step
Step back.
back.
We'll use that just to make sure, and then I'll get them cuffs off you.
Okay.
You still
Yes, sir.
You good? Okay. I'm gonna get these off you. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got a real high score. Okay. So, in Ohio, the legal limit is 0.08, and you are a 0.22. That is almost 3 times the legal limit. I did not expect you to be that high, to be honest with you.
I didn't either.
Yeah. Do you drink often?
Yeah.
Okay. You might have
I might say at home I drink wine.
Okay. I think you have a pretty high tolerance for alcohol because this is a level that people would be generally acting more intoxicated in my experience. Okay. So that's what we got. You're at a 0.22.